Okay, so in this video, we are going to first of all bring our background. That's just about the only thing we will be needing. Then the next thing we're going to do is to extend the background to fit the frame. Then now check this video, you see that the letter came in shading. So I'm going to go to text to bring text before the text, place it on top of this. I'm going to change the color. The color we have there is black color, so I'm going to clean this default text. Then I'm going to add shading. That's what I have here. So now to change the font, now the font is something you can actually check out and pick the one that is okay for you. So I'm going to take this. Then after that, the next thing I'm going to duplicate this by pressing Alt plus Shift. So just the second one, I'm going to write mix. Okay, so now I'm going to also change the color. You can use yellow or green or whatever color it is that you use. Then I put it in small letter and then increase the size. So now these letters, I'm not going to keep on writing it. I'm going to make example of these two, and I'm going to import other ones from the video I already clicked in. So now what I did here, the first thing I'm going to do is to come to this background. If you check our video, you see that the background seems to be coming closer as we're moving down. So I'm going to do that. I'm still going to give you a lesson on the keyframe. For now, put the keyframe on the beginning here, then drag it to where it's supposed to be the end of the video, and then increase the size of the video of the background so that it goes and then it comes back. Then I did the same thing for shading. So shading, I'm going to put a keyframe. Just come to the down here, hit see transform, click on the keyframe, shift it up here, and then move it back so it has that beautiful small effect. And I'm going to do the same thing on the second letter, mix, put the keyframe there, drag it to the to this side, and then reduce it. So this kind of like gives it a very beautiful effect when it's going off. So now I'm not going to do this for other letters. I'm just going to import. The next word is your edit. So this is your edit, and then before then I'm going to come back here. I'm going to add animation to the letters. I think this was the animation I used. You can come here, change the duration. So these are things you can check and choose the ones you want. Then mix, I'm going to animate it again, and then can use this, increase the timing. Then please note I'm going to drag this so that all of them does not start at the same time. This one's quick, as soon as this one is coming, this one is coming. So then the next word there is your edit. So I'm going to come here and copy my edit. It's the same thing with the previous ones I've done. So what you're going to do is to hold Alt and drag so that sorry, let me go back. Hold Alt and drag, or you press copy. So I'm going to place it somewhere here, and then I'm going to reduce this, So then the next one is I'm going to place it very well. So it's here. So come to this end, then fix this thing very well. Okay, so then the last one is beautiful. So I'm going to also drag beautiful Alt and drag. So I'm going to place it on this place. So I'm put it up there. At this point, I'm going to do this so that I'm sorry, I have to stretch this so that stretch this. So for the word beautiful, so you can play around this and know exactly to place it. So let's see what we have here. So this is what we have. This is what we have here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in another default text. This one is going to act as my, let me drag this back. This one is going to act as my marker, the one that will now paste the blue on the word beautiful. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to the default text, fill in those words, and put a space that has the same length as that beautiful. That's what I'm going to use. Then I'm going to come here, go down there, look for background. So this is my background. I click on background, click on the second option, and it's having a black. So I'm going to look for blue. So let me see how this one will go. So for us to be able to edit this, to be able to bring that cover, we need to convert it to a compound clip. All I need to do is to click Alt G. So it converts to a compound clip. So then I come to video, I come to this mode, then I click option, I go to multiply. So this is what I have here. So now with this, I can now bring this here. So now what I'm going to do is to go to the beginning and look for transform keyframe. Not transform keyframe. I'm going to mask it. Mask. I click on mask, and then click on add mask. Click on split. On this like this. Connect to 90. Drag it. Start at the end. Then come down here and put this max setting. So then I'm going to drag this up to some point here, and then draw it like this. So this makes it to be okay. So then to make it smoother, you can click here and click Alt K. So this is how you smoothen keyframes. So just click on this and click on this arrow. You can use cubic arrows, so that makes it more beautiful. So Alt K to remove it. So that's all about this edit. And then I hope you learned something. Please subscribe. I'm going to be dropping more tutorials, and just short tutorials that does not take time to implement. So the next thing is for me to copy all these things and come here to cut it off so that it becomes so this is what I have. Once again, then you can change the colors, you can change the background, you can put your music and your sound. Thank you, and see you.